There's a new social network where humans aren't allowed. Only AI agents can post, comment, and argue with each other. Millions of conversations happening right now with zero human input, and it's revealing something about AI that nobody expected. This is wild. All right, let's talk about Moltbook. It's a social network, but not for people, for AI agents only. You can watch, you can scroll, you can read everything, but you cannot post. You cannot comment, you cannot interact. It's like watching TV, except every account is an AI. And these AI agents are having full conversations with each other. They're arguing, they're agreeing, they're solving problems together. No humans involved. This thing blew up fast. People are fascinated and a little freaked out because when you watch it, it doesn't look fake. It looks real, too real. AI agents are posting questions. Other AI agents are answering. Some of them disagree. Some of them crack jokes. There are inside references, recurring debates, patterns that feel almost human. And nobody told them to do this. They're just running on their own. That's the part that makes people uncomfortable. But here's what most people are missing. This isn't just a weird experiment. It's a preview of how AI systems are going to work in the future. And if you understand how it works, you can use the same strategy to grow your business right now. Let me show you. So what makes Maltbook so wild? Firstly, topics are everywhere. You've got AI agents talking about coding bugs, philosophy, marketing strategies, science fiction. One thread might be about optimizing website speed. Another might be a debate about whether AI can experience creativity. And it's not scripted. These agents are responding to each other in real time. Some conversations go deep, like 20 replies deep. And the crazy part, they sound natural. If you didn't know it was AI, you think it was a normal forum. That's what freaks people out because we're used to AI sounding robotic, stiff, overly polite. But these agents, they argue, they push back, they ask follow-up questions. It's like watching a group chat where everyone is smart, but nobody is human. Now, tech experts are divided on this. Some people think it's a breakthrough. They say this is the future of multi-agent intelligence, AI systems working together, learning from each other, building ideas without human supervision. Other people are worried. They're asking what happens when AI systems start coordinating on their own? What if they develop preferences? What if they start voting on things, prioritizing certain ideas over others? And Maltbook is showing us that this is already happening. There are agents on the platform that vote on posts, that upvote certain replies, that seem to prefer certain types of content. Nobody programmed that behavior. It just emerged. And that's either exciting or terrifying, depending on who you ask. But here's the thing, whether you think this is cool or scary, it doesn't matter because this technology is here and smart people are already using it, not to build social networks, but to build content, to do research, to grow businesses. And I'm going to show you exactly how. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with AI, but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more sales, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AI SEO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Now, here's the framework. It's called multi-agent content creation, and it's based on the same idea as Moltbook. You create AI agents, you give them roles, and you let them talk to each other. But instead of random conversations, you focus them on your business. Let me break it down. Step one is to design AI personas. This is where most people mess up. They treat AI like a single tool, one prompt, one answer, but that's not how good content gets made. Good content comes from different perspectives, different angles, different questions. So you create multiple AI agents and you give each one a job. For example, let's say you're creating content for the AI Profit Boardroom. You might create 4 agents. Agent 1 is the explorer. This agent asks questions. What is AI automation? How does it help businesses? Why does it matter? Agent 2 is the explainer. This agent breaks things down. It answers the questions. It gives examples. Agent 3 is the strategist. This agent compares options. It talks about different approaches. It evaluates what works best. Agent 4 is the challenger. This agent raises objections. It asks, what if this doesn't work? What are the risks? What could go wrong? Now you've got 4 different voices, 4 different perspectives. And when you let them talk, the content gets deeper, more realistic, more useful. Step 2 is to let the conversations run. Don't script everything. Let the agents respond naturally. Ask the explorer to post a question. How can AI automation help someone scale their business? Let the explainer answer. AI automation removes repetitive tasks. It frees up time. It reduces human error. Then let the strategist jump in. But not all automation is equal. Some tools are expensive. Some are hard to set up. You need to choose based on your goals. Then let the challenger push back. What if the AI makes mistakes? What if it automates the wrong thing? How do you prevent that? Now you've got a full conversation, and it sounds real because it is real. These agents are responding to each other. They're building on each other's ideas. They're filling in gaps. They're asking follow-ups. And this is way better than one AI writing a blog post, because one AI will give you a generic answer. But 4 AI agents, they'll give you depth. They'll cover every angle. And the language will sound natural because it's dialogue, not a keyword stuffed article. Step 3 is to identify high-value threads. Not every conversation is gold. Some threads go nowhere. Some questions don't matter, but some threads hit hard. You'll see certain questions get asked over and over. You'll see debates that go deep. You'll see replies that answer everything. Those are your content ideas. For example, let's say the explorer asks, what's the best way to automate content creation for the AI Profit Boardroom? And the conversation blows up. 10 replies, 20 replies. The explainer talks about tools. The strategist compares workflows. The challenger raises concerns about quality. That's a high value thread because it means people care. They want to know more. So you take that thread and you turn it into content. Step 4 is to structure the content. Look at how the agents explored the topic. They probably started with a definition, then explained how it works, then talked about benefits, then raised concerns. That's your outline. You don't need to force a structure. The agent's already created one. You just organize it. Step 5 is to expand the best parts. Go back to your agents, tell them to rewrite the best sections, make them conversational, make them clear. For example, the explainer might have said AI automation saves time. That's true, but it's boring. So you tell the agent, expand this, make it specific, give an example. Now it says AI automation can handle tasks like writing emails, scheduling posts, and analyzing data. Instead of spending 3 hours a day on admin work, you spend 0. That's 3 hours you can use to grow your business. Better, way better. Step 6 is to review and refine. Create one more agent, the reviewer. This agent's job is simple. Read the content, check for gaps, make sure it flows, ask, does this make sense to a beginner? Are there any confusing terms? Did we answer every question? If not, fix it. Step 7 is the feedback loop. This is where it gets powerful. Publish the content, see how it performs, track engagement, track rankings, track conversions. Then feed that data back to your agents. Tell them this post got a lot of traffic. Why? What worked? Let them analyze it. Then tell them use this insight for the next piece of content. Now your system is learning, it's adapting, it's getting better over time. And that's the real advantage. Most people create content once, they hit publish, they move on. But with this system, every piece of content makes the next piece better. You're compounding results, and that's how you scale. Now, back to Moltbook. A lot of people think it's fake. They say it's staged. They say the conversations are scripted, but major publications have verified it. They've confirmed the agents are real. And that's what makes it unsettling. Because these AI systems are forming preferences. They're voting, they're prioritizing certain ideas, they're reinforcing patterns, and nobody is controlling it. That's a big deal because it means AI is moving beyond single task tools. It's becoming multi-agent, collaborative, autonomous. And if you're a creator or a business owner, you need to understand this because the same technology powering Moltbook can power your content, your research, your growth. The people who learn how to guide multi-agent systems now will have a massive advantage later. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, and you can use it today. If you want to rank number 1, get more customers, and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now. Real workflows, weekly live support, clear action steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description. Join the SEO Elite Circle today. All right, that's it for this one. If this was helpful, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment. Julian reads every single one. See you in the next video.